Hi guys, I'm Spencer. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a vlogging kit meant for your phone. My phone is an iPhone 10 and it's resting on a Gorilla Pod at the moment. But I just bought something which they call it a selfie kit. Alright, it comes with a light source, a microphone, and even a tripod stand itself. Let us see how effective it is compared to what we can use and how handy it will be. So stay tuned. Okay guys, let's see what do we have here. So it's a Hulu's live broadcast LED selfie kit. Alright. Comes with an LED studio light, microphone, and a mini tripod mount. Okay. Well, we have a pretty sturdy mini tripod stand here. Microphone. And I think this looks like an adapter for connecting up the phone. The light. I think we can put in AA batteries inside with a switch. Let's see. And a handy, I think this is a whole setup for you to put the phone somewhere here. The mounts for the microphone and the light. Okay.
This is just a simple comparison of the lighting. On the right is the LED studio light that came with the kit. You can see it's quite harsh, so it really depends on what you prefer for your lighting conditions.
Okay, just want to do a sound recording, and this is recording directly from the phone. This is another sound recording we have done using the attached microphone.
This is the third recording I'm doing using a lavalier. Guys, thanks for staying with me on this video. I hope you like this little review of my first selfie vlogging kit for the phone. This is something I had to figure out. I'm not sure why this microphone doesn't seem to be working as it should be. Otherwise, I think it's okay. It's still a bit on the expensive side for $100, but it comes with the full setup for you to start your first video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll try to churn out more videos like this in the future.